Experiencing problems with your Rogers Xfinity streaming app? Don't worry, you're not alone. This video will guide you through the most common issues and how to resolve them quickly. We'll cover solutions for iPhones, Android devices, and TVs. Common problems include buffering, login failures, and app crashes. Start by restarting the app in your device. Next, check your internet speed. You need at least 25 megabps for HD streaming. Clear the app's cache to remove corrupted data. Ensure you're running the latest version of the app. Verify your Rogers account status on the Rogers website. If these steps don't work, try reinstalling the app. These basic steps resolve about 70% of issues reported by users. We will go over device-specific troubleshooting later in the video. If the basic fixes didn't work, let's dive into more advanced troubleshooting, focusing on device-specific issues. For iPhones, check your Wi-Fi settings. Switching from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz can sometimes help. On Android TVs, ensure your TV's firmware is up to date and use an HDMI 2.1 cable to avoid black screen issues. If you're using Roku, try restarting the device and clearing the cache, as overloading the app with multiple streams can cause crashes. Also, check device permissions and storage if applicable to your device. If problems persist, check Rogers' support site for guided diagnostics or contact their support team. Consider trends like using voice commands for easier use. By 2026, expect AI to self-diagnose streaming issues, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. Keep your app updated for the best performance.